So I finally did it. I got my greedy machine all the way down to 15 efficiency. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how I did it and most importantly, why I did it. So let's jump straight into the video. If you are new to the channel, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, I ended up purchasing this greedy machine a while back and the efficiency was 35. Pretty much to sum it all up, I made a mistake. I should have bought one that had a way lower efficiency simply because it costed me way more to lower the efficiency down to 15 than what I actually paid for the miner. So I definitely learned my lesson. Next time when I purchase a miner, I will definitely only buy one that has 15 efficiency. As you can see right now, the miner has 15, 148.3 terahashes, and hopefully in about a week or so, I will be getting that free power. Pretty much the main reason why I got this machine is for the free terahashes every single week. I cannot wait to see how much I get. That way I can pretty much estimate how much I will be making with this miner. And now my overall efficiency is 15.74. I still have this miner right here that has 14 terahashes and 27.94 efficiency. My next goal is to pretty much get this one down to 15. So the way I got the efficiency down on this miner is simple. I pretty much took advantage of the 20% discount on upgrades. That happened a couple of days ago, so I saw that as an opportunity to improve the efficiency on my greedy machine, and I took it. So what I ended up doing, I took some stable coins, USDT, and I deposited into my Go Mining account, ended up converting it into Go Mining tokens. Then I ended up depositing some Solana as well, converted that to Go Mining tokens, and that gave me enough Go Mining tokens to pretty much do the upgrade to 15 all in one go, and that is exactly what I did. One other thing that I did, so instead of getting Bitcoin every single day, I started stacking up on my Go Mining tokens. As you can see, every single day I started getting 5 tokens, 6 tokens, 7, and I started accumulating more and more. Every time I would get a decent amount, I would pretty much use all of that to upgrade the efficiency on this miner. That does take some time, especially right now when the price of Bitcoin continues to drop. That means I needed more and more Go Mining tokens in order to upgrade the efficiency. So when I saw they had the 20% discount, I had to jump on it in order to save me a lot of time and a lot of money as well, especially the price of Bitcoin continues to fall. Now that you know how I upgraded this miner, let's talk about why. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. As you guys know, my main goal was to get the efficiency down on all of my miners. The reason I want all of my miners to have 15 efficiency is because it will get more difficult to mine Bitcoin in the future. And we all saw what happened over the last month or so when the price of Bitcoin went from like 120 to like 80,000. The payouts got smaller and the cost to upgrade the efficiency, to upgrade the power, got more expensive. You needed more Go Mining tokens in order to do the exact same upgrade. Also, the ROI dropped as well. This is crypto after all. Prices go up, the ROIs go up, and they seem amazing. But when the price of Bitcoin pulls back, the ROI becomes smaller. That is how crypto works. Sometimes it pumps, sometimes it dumps. But you have to stay consistent. You have to stay patient. This is a long-term game. I'm not going to get shaken out. I'm here for the long term. I want to stack as much Bitcoin as I possibly can. So if that means improving my efficiency, that is exactly what I will do. I also do believe if the price of Bitcoin continues to fall to 70,000, 60,000, 50,000, I do believe gold mining will introduce a 10 efficiency. So I want to have 15 on all of my miners in case that happens. That way I can get my efficiency down to 10 much easier. But if the price of Bitcoin stabilizes and we start trending higher and higher again, then the ROIs are going to be much better and we are going to make even more money. Crypto is volatile and I'm here for the long game. As you guys know, starting your own mining rig at home, buying equipment, upgrading your electricity, learning how to operate everything takes a lot of time and a lot of money. Gold mining does all that for you. They make it a lot easier. Just imagine a person that invests $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to buy all the equipment, to upgrade electrical, to start mining Bitcoin at home. And then the profits drop by 30-40%. That guy's in a way tougher situation than someone like me who uses gold mining. I invest a fraction of the cost. I don't have to worry about electricity. I don't have to worry about setting my house on fire or any of that stuff. That is why I'm a big fan of gold mining, even though sometimes are amazing when the ROIs are high, when Bitcoin is pumping, everyone is happy, everyone is making good money. But when the market turns and the ROI goes from 45% to 30%, people do feel the pain. The profits are definitely affected. But like I said, I'm here to stack Bitcoin and that is what I plan on doing. One final thing that I do want to mention before we end this video, every time there's a sale like the recent one where they give you 20% off miners or 20% off on upgrades, definitely take advantage. Those times are the times that you want to be greedy. You want to get as much power, as many upgrades as you possibly can with that discount. Timing is key, and when that opportunity presents itself, you got to be ready to pounce. So that is all I have for this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your strategy going forward if the price of Bitcoin continues to go lower and lower? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.